Hello there, I have here the fuse diagram, schematic diagram chart list of the 1999 Land Rover Discovery 2, and I'm trying to figure out what these wires are for that's connected to this 15 amp fuse here, which is for that's the F18 right here. I believe it's for the back windshield wiper mechanism, or the back windshield wiper motor, and there's some sort of like yellow wire that's connected to this fuse. I have no idea how that got there, what it's actually for. Along with this yellow wire, I have also a red wire that's connected to the 25 amp fuse. As you can see here, the 25 amp fuse that this wire is connected to, and I believe that is the lock mechanism, door lock actuator mechanism. So there's a red and yellow wire that's strung to the fuse, and I have no idea what that is. If anybody knows, can help me out, let me know in the comments below here what these two wires are for. It's a Land Rover Discovery 2 1999. Take care everybody, peace.